So in this case here, I actually have a shower head, handheld shower head, that the hose is broken, completely broken, came off. So actually this part here belongs to the hose here, and it's the hose that is broken, not the shower head. So the shower head is totally fine. So what I can do, I don't need this part anymore. I actually have another shower that I'm not using. So I'm gonna use the hose from the other shower. So disconnecting the part that belonged to the hose from the shower head, this way I can keep my shower head. So I'm disconnecting it from here as well. This is where the water is coming into the shower head. So I have the hose here, the new hose. It's actually not a new hose, it's a hose from existing shower that I have, and I'm not using it, so I'm using this shower more often. So I'm gonna attach the shower head to one side. I'm gonna just do a little turn, like a, oh, actually I'm doing it backwards, sorry. I have to go to the right, there you go. So now the shower head is attached to the hose, and I'm attaching the hose to the supply. There you go. I made sure that the washers are in place. So make sure that you haven't lost the washers or the filters or anything, right? So now I'm tightening it to where it's supposed to go, and tight all the way, and then 1/8 of a turn or a quarter turn, there you go. And then the shower head is fixed. So I'm using the same shower head, just the hose been replaced,